Hey guys, so this is not the beginning of the video. I'm so sorry, I forgot to press the record button. So I lost the footage. I'm so sorry. But I promise you, this is a fun and quirky one. Very abstract in nature. Today there are no rules, no particular technique. I'm just going to splash some paint, flick some paint from here and there. Today is just about having fun, unleashing the inner child like the children do. They never think of the result, they just immerse themselves in the process. And today we are going to do that. Let's start from here. Oh, look at the spiral. First, it's going to be chaotic, then it will be beautiful. Just like life, we experiment, we try new things, and we learn along the path. We gain some experiences and translate so beautifully into art. This way around. How we express ourselves. It's all about being present in the moment. How you think in the moment and not being busy worrying about the future. I love this yellow and taupe. Very warm colors. I want to keep the negative space, the colors that are quite solid and do not blend with each other. And I think the light blue is doing that. I don't want to disturb it. Some more is needed though. Here. Look at that. It's so beautifully so. Jackson Pollock like drip and splash. I like this orange. It's the highlighter of the colors here. Tell me, what do you think about these colors, and do you have any suggestions for me? What colors go well according to you? Which ones are your favorite? I would love to hear from you. I appreciate your feedback. I appreciate your tips. I'm fairly new to fluid painting, so if you have some suggestions for me, you are always welcome. Need some white. I love this petal on the left corner. Covering the outer part of the canvas. It helps to spread the paint. Now I'm thinking whether I should spin this or stretch simply by tilting the canvas. I think I'm gonna spin it. It looks very fresh. I'm just covering the canvas. Some of the spots where the paint has not covered. I think I'm gonna add some more color. Yeah, it definitely needs more color. That should do it. Hey, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and like and share the video and press that bell icon so you never miss a video from me. It will definitely help my channel grow and your support means a lot to me. And thank you so much for all the love. Really from the bottom of my heart. Let's spin it, let's spin it. Like I told you before, it will be chaotic and then it will be beautiful. What do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. A few more spin and it will be done. Just a bit here. Final spin. I love it. It's really amazing. I love this blue, yellow, pink, the solid negative space. It's giving so much character here. And that streak of colors by the movement, by flicking the paint, is just amazing. This here is my favorite part. Just look at it.